If you make mistakes, you're not a fool. If you don't learn from the mistakes, then you are. I'm a team operational leader here at Mondi Frantschach in the Research and Development Innovation Center. The production has a problem. They would like to make it better. For example, I would like to test a new chemical, but I'm not sure if it's going to work appropriately on the machines. Could you please test it? And we do all the according analysis. We do the testing and then report to the production. I try to have at least 1 to 2 rounds per day with the team, where I have a conversation with them, where we discuss typical problems, as well as what's new, what's next on the list, what's the daily schedule going to be like, and so forth. And I like to save the good part, so meaning project works, development, and so forth, for the later afternoon. If you make mistakes, you're not a fool. If you don't learn from the mistakes, then you are. As long as Mondi is interested in delivering good quality products, as well as trying to satisfy their customers with new and innovative products, as well as at the same time optimize their processes, reduce emissions, have a good runnability. These are all things that chemists can contribute, support with the problem solving. And as long as I said, Mondi is interested in solving these problems, we chemists are going to have it pretty good.